unsafe area to be. The kid in the ditch, whoever, or the parents to that child.
Oh, Austin.
What's up, man?
What up?
Hold this real quick, let me get my money.
Big money. What'd you say? Oh shit, that's where you keep your money. Good to know.
Come out the house. I think we're at 18.
18,000?
18,000. Okay, I'll ask him if he wants to. I'm at 18 right now. If I can get more, and we'll do more. If not, I don't want to get confused.
Oh yeah.
18,000?
Yeah. He said he'll go whatever.
That's 40,000 McDoubles. You know what I mean? It's a lot of burgers, bro.
Here we go. Little OJ got the pre-stage. Women got pre-stage.
Right? Let's go. Alright, so where's my accountant at? Boy? Skinny white boy, I'm out.
Right now it's not running. We're having issues with the truck, but that's how it is. It's a expensive sport. My boyfriend knows about that. Oh, Gringo knows all about that. Yeah.
So who am I gonna race April?
I don't know, but we still got
Crawfish?
Crawfish. Well, yeah, we'll race crawfish.
Alright, April shootout. Girls race.
We have to.
Yeah,
Because
because everybody got one in their race.
After that, the track they're shutting it down. They're knocking it down. So we have to take advantage of it.
David boy.
It's gonna be it's gonna be sad after that because we ain't got no more races.
Girls race.
And then have this set up, and then from here we'll go build that way. You know what I mean? So let me finish that up. Yep. Ice cream break.
I like that.
We got back grip, right? Inch and a half.
Give or take, yeah.
Yeah, I think that'll be better. It'll put us out here, and everything over there. We need to actually throw the front end on it, but then we can start tacking this one, have this one ready, and then we can just mirror when we get the deals tomorrow. The down pipes, I guess we can just go ahead and start working on them. We have everything here for the down pipes, right? That low, that low. Before we do the bullhorn deal, we're gonna go ahead and weld this out, have this part done. So just in case if it does shrink a little bit or move on us or whatever, we can adjust from there. So right here, this is where we're gonna put a V-band right here. So we're gonna set this up this way, so that way, whenever, you know, done racing or whatever the case is, the customer can actually take off the bullhorn so it can go on the trailer. Because the bullhorn's gonna stick out like out here.
Yeah, because it's barely gonna fit on
Yeah,
the trailer
so-
as it is.
Yeah, exactly. They barely even fit. So this will give it the clearance to where you just take it off right here, and it's simple because the fender's like right here, so you can actually get to the clamp, unbolt it, and take it off. So it's a little process to it, but I mean for the most part, it's pretty much there, you know. 5-inch. Remember this one kicks out just a little bit.
Forward or back?
Shit, I just looked at it.
Back, right?
No, forward. The back is
Right there?
yeah, like that.
Right, mark it.
It's a lot of weld.
That it is. You should knock that out in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, it would. So we're gonna make a mounting point here off the tank to support this, so that way just to kind of give it some kind of. Once I put the O-rings on and stuff, it'll actually be like that, you know. But so like a heim joint or something over here, just kind of hidden so you won't see it. So that way this stays clean. Because once we do that, I think I gotta make one modification to this, and then we're gonna take it all apart, send it off to get anodized because it's, you know, it is gonna run on methanol.
Oh, okay.
So I'll have it anodized outside, inside, or I can, yeah, I'll probably do everything, and then if the outside doesn't look too nice, then at least the inside's anodized, and I can send the outside to get pyro coated, so it looks all nice and pretty.
Oh, you got to do one over here too?
Yeah, we're gonna do both of them. Yeah. I'm gonna start figuring out the game plan for all the fittings and everything else, and then the color combination. Like I think I'm gonna end up doing something with the covers and stuff. So just trying to figure out. I haven't done blue, and I know the customer loves blue. And obviously it's a Ford, so well, I couldn't say that about the Fairlane, but
Paint on those?
yeah. He wants to look nice. He basically kind of wants a. So he wants a little bit of the Fairlane kind of look, but also the taco look.
Oh, okay.
You know how it has all but his is all polished and everything else. He's not. Like he's even thinking about trying to get this anodized and stuff black. We'll see. Once we get to that point, we'll add color and shit, you know.
Oh, they're boxing across the street.
Oh, what?
They're boxing across the street.
Oh, yeah.